Freezer door was left open. The compressor is making a loud rattle.
Hi there and welcome to the site. Thank you for your inquiry. I will be assisting you with your question today. The compressor has probably overheated and that is why it is making unusual noises, etc. How long was the door left open for, please?
6 hours, about 2-inch opening.
Hi there. Switch the appliance off and wait 2 hours before switching it back on. The motor has been working overtime trying to reach the set temp, which was hampered by the door being left open. This would cause the motor to run for a very long time and cause noises / overheating, etc. Can you come back and let me know if it works or not, and if the unusual noise is still apparent, then please? I'll be here on and off all night, etc. Thank you. AUSSIE Repair Tech. 41230.3203479963.
It worked. Thank you.
Hi there, this is great news. As previously stated, the motor was probably overheated from running so long. Just keep an eye on it for a few days and make sure it's okay before stocking back up on food fully, etc. Okay. If you have any further questions, just ask. I am happy to answer them, even after rating, no problems at all. You can return to this page at any time to make further inquiries regarding this question / problem should the need arise. Thank you. AUSSIE Repair Tech. 41231.92119566713.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.